Removing a seat on Triumph Bonneville T100 is kind of easy. You have to insert the key in the keyhole here, right behind the tank. Then you open the seat, remove it, and you have access to the battery and to the fuse box. Also, what's interesting here, you have also the USB port that you can plug yourself a cable and then pull it to the handlebar so that you can have a fully fledged charger. Placing it back, you have to remember about these two prongs. They have to go into these two holes in order to then properly lock it. So what you do, you have to maneuver it a bit so that it's properly seated. Okay. Yeah. Now it's good and ready to go.